Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can create annotations inside LightlyStudio. More specifically, I want to focus on creating bounding boxes. And inside LightlyStudio, that's very simple. Let's say I have an image of, let's say, at this bus here. I just click on an image and I can click here on the top right, edit annotations. Now I'm in the annotation editing mode. I can change the brightness and the contrast. So these are just two settings that are sometimes helpful when you're doing the labeling for a longer period of time, or sometimes even some objects appear more clear for you when you change the brightness and contrast. And then here on the left part, you have an option of creating a bounding box as well as the segmentation mask. But this time I want to focus on creating a bounding box annotation, which also has an option of like a hotkey. So if you hover over, you can see like for a bounding box, you can just use B. I can click B on the keyboard right now. And, I'm immediately transformed to this bounding box mode. And now I'm just here. I can just, select this bus here like that. When I'm done, I just come here on the right part. Currently it has just the, the object detection. You can see the sizes of the bounding box in pixels, and you can, change the label. So this is like a bus. I will press enter. I can even, click on this eye icon here, to remove the bounding box just from the view. I can click back. Here's the bus. And now I'm happy. Let's say I just click finish editing. And now when I'm back in the image view, you can see I have now one label here appeared. This is the label for the bus, and I can now filter by it. I can click on this and I can see that, this image that we previously were annotating now actually has this bounding box of a bus. So yeah, that's very cool, very simple, and I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.